If you've been thinking about renovating your kitchen, this is an interesting time to do it. There's a new trend taking shape that's providing families and calmness and connectivity in the most important space in their home. Joining us with more is interior designer Sarah St. Amand. Good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning, Rick. How are you?
I'm fantastic.
Great.
New trends are always fun to talk about. We have some new things that we're going to talk about this morning.
Yes. So trending right now, we're kind of moving away from the grays, even though I have a gray sink.
Yeah.
But we're kind of looking at how the kitchen can evolve into being a really beautiful space in your home. And so you don't have to think about it as just an all-white kitchen. You can mix materials and add depth to it. And the thing I love about a company I work with, a Canadian company called Vought, and I love them, is because they've got beautiful faucets and beautiful finishes.
Yeah.
So this is a copper finish, which I absolutely love. So it's really nice to not have the typical satin silver or chrome. You can bring in other finishes, and it's okay to mix and match finishes. So you can do this, and you might do a gold piece of hardware, and that's okay.
And this copper there's like a luxurious tone to it.
It's absolutely gorgeous, and it has this really beautiful knurled handle to it. So I really like that. And then if you did do a copper sink or a copper finish, and you wanted to have a composite sink, you can actually match your drains. So if you were doing a gray sink, which is fine,
Here, I'll hold this up.
you can have a beautiful kitchen, and then you can match that. So the composite sinks are amazing because they have no scratching. Like, you'll never have that issue. They're easy to clean. They're essentially indestructible. So if you're that person who has pots and pans and you're always like in the kitchen cooking, this is an amazing thing for you. And 5 colors that it has. So I really like that because you can see how the color is really, really nice. And even if you were to put this one with this faucet, it would be quite lovely.
Right.
So there's lots of opportunity to add some, what I like to call the jewelry in the home to your kitchen.
Yeah, so contrasting those colors is something that is emerging in terms of we're not going to splash everything with white anymore. Let's add some cool accents.
Yeah, we can 100%. And one thing that's really emerging right now is instead of choosing just a plain white marble looking quartz, you can add some beautiful countertops. So this is an area where I always talk about splurge and save. So one of the things about kitchens is if you do all the really bells and whistles inside your cabinets, that's where the dollars start to add up.
Right.
But you can do beautiful countertops, and that's what people see. So the countertops like this is a quartzite, and I love quartzite because it's a material that is from the earth, which I love, and every countertop is different. So you'll always have this beautiful veining. It's like a piece of art. So if you purchase that one, it's yours and no one else will have the same thing. So there's so many different opportunities. I love adding different tile backsplashes. I like to have different materials, and I always like to have anything that is like that jewelry, like this particular handle.
It's really going to pop.
Which is really going to pop, and it actually comes in a multiple, I think 16 colors, which is kind of neat too. So if you're a person that likes color, you can actually inject a little color into your faucet.
We have less than a minute. The importance of a design plan. This is vital.
Yes, very, very vital. I often get people to call me and say, okay, so can you help me with colors? Can you help me put it together? And I say, the first question I ask them is, do you have a plan?
Right.
If you have no plan, it's like building a house and just starting to dig a hole with nothing in mind. So when we're working with our clients, we're always doing plans like this. So making sure we map it all out, we have all of the details, making sure that everything is put together. So if you don't do that, you have incorrect clearances. And the one thing you always want to start with is something that people always forget is appliances first. Work on lighting, not just the paint color. And a lot of times people say, okay, what color should I use? Work on the elements that are going to pull it together. So for example, you would want to
go.
I know, I could talk forever on this. I'm so sorry.
Thank you for joining us this
let me come back and I'll talk more.
Absolutely, you're always welcome. More links on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Good morning.